Ciao everyone, here I'm going to show you my painting process for my entry grade strike Gundam. I'm going to show you the process from the paints, mixing, and the sprays and so on. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy. So for the first one, we're going to use a gray primer. Just gonna check it well. For the first step of the painting process, I will spray mist first, and then I will start paint from the edge to the main part of the body. Make sure the results are nice and wet. Next up is the blue, a bright blue from Mr. Color. And I will mix it with the white from somewhere. I just put a lot of blue and then a few drops of white so I can create a light. And as always, I will start from the edges and then I will go to the main body. It's full blasted. The result shall be nice, wet, reflective, and overall clean. Next part is the main color, which is white, which covers a lot of the Gunpla. As you can see here, I repeated the process 3 times at least, so I can get the whitest white I can get. Next color is yellow. In hindsight, this pineapple yellow is kinda shit. For the next color is Shine Red from Jump Wind Colors. It's a very good red. And for starters, for this part, I missed them all first because they have a lot of sharp edges. And also I have to fill some parts where, there's some holes here and there, so I have to start missing them first. Start nice and slow, and then soon, full blast. And here's the result. Shine bright red. And the next one is dark gray. It's a mix of black with white, I think. It's mainly used for the frame. Okay, for the last step, I'm going to top coat it with a matte clear from Jump Wind Colors. As usual, I'll start from the edges and then go to the main body. Make sure that it's wet and you will see the results. And here's the result. So good, aren't they? Except for the yellow. For the yellow, I have to redo and mix my yellow again with a little bit of red, so I'll make it more orange. I'm just gonna paint on top the current yellow, so just make it better, I guess. The orange match more with the red, blue, and white that we currently have. And here's my organizer box where I can split my parts easily from body, legs, etc. so I can easily put them back together. And here it is. Integrate Strike Gundam. Just an easy, clean build with an easy, clean paint. Do you enjoy it? Do you like my painting steps? Please leave a comment what you think about it. Gunpla painting is therapy for me. Do you agree? Look at it. So beautiful. Look at that shine, popping colors. You also try if you have the budget to buy an airbrush and air compressor. Go do it. Buy it and practice it with some easy kits or some extra parts and you'll be good. Watch a lot of YouTube guides and you'll be fine. And here's for the next video. Ciao!